Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life Skills with Fatma. In today's video you will learn the treble crochet or triple crochet. This is the second class for the basic crochet stitches. In the previous class you have learned the single crochet and double crochet. Now you will learn the treble crochet. See, it's very simple. Just yarn over two times and put your hook inside the chain, pull the yarn, and you can see there are 4. So make 3 of 4, then 2 of 3, now 1 of 2. It's so simple and easy. Anyone can do it. So yarn over 2 times. Put the hook inside, pull the yarn. So these are 4, so make 3 of 4, now 2 of 3, now 1 of 2. Similarly, yarn over 2 times, put your hook inside, pull the yarn, make 3 of 4, 2 of 3, 1 of 2. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.